Hi all. In this session, we are going to learn how we can able to perform mouse double click operation on any website. Okay. So the program is already is present in this gifted locations. Now let's go to any some browser and we will go to perform double click operations. Okay. In this case, for this program, I am choosing this test automation practice.blogspot.com website, and here when we go to here, we have one. In this case, you can see here the double click. In this case, what will happen means you can enter some value in the field one, that is something tech. Then afterward you go to the this copy button, and when you perform double click operation, the whatever the content present in field one is going to copy in the field 2. Let's do this one. Yes, see, you can see this is done. So the same program, the same steps we are going to perform by using Selenium code. So let's start writing the program. Yes, I'm going to create one new program. Now I'm going to rename that one double click demo. Okay, now let's write a program. Public static void main. Now I'm going to set system variables, that is for Chrome browser, that is system dot set property webdriver dot chrome dot driver comma chrome path, that is SQL. I already saved the chrome driver in some location, that is tech made me lazy double slash lib double slash browser drivers slash chrome driver dot exe is done. Now I'm going to create one browser, web browser, that is webdriver dot driver is equal to new chrome driver also done. We are created on chrome browser. Okay, now we are going to add 10 seconds implicit wait, that is a driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicit wait 10 comma time minutes dot seconds is done. Now maximize the browser, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize the browser. Now we are going to navigate to URL, that is driver dot get comma. I'll copy this URL. I want to paste here. Done. Okay. Now the next step is we are going we will go to the field one, and we are going to clear whatever value is present, that is when you open some predefined value is already there. So we are going to clear that one, and we are going to add some value. Then afterward we are going to perform click text button. Okay, so come here. Now I need to find this variable, that is field one. So inspect element, yeah, this is id. So I'm going to copy, control F, slash slash input ampersand id is equal to id. Yeah, we are done. Okay, now driver dot find element by x path. Oh, we can give id also, id dot clear. Then afterward we are going to enter some value. First we are going to clear, and then we are going to send some value. Now I'm going to enter tech made me lazy. Now we entered. Now we clear this button and we entered some value. Now we need to see what is this button. Button is here. Okay, for this button, so slash slash button contains text comma copy text close close. Yes, it's come. Copy. Okay, now we're going to perform click operation, that is driver dot find element by xpath. Now we're going to click. Okay, so before clicking we are going to give some sleep statement. So I'm going 15 seconds. So throws interrupted exception because we are using here thread sleep. Okay, wait, here we are performing only click operation, but we need to perform double click means we need to use the actions class, that actions dot actions is equal to new actions driver. Okay, now driver dot, now we need to move to that element, actions dot move to element. We are going to copy this one. Okay, once we move there, then we need to perform perform. Okay, so before that I need to perform double click, same this one. Now dot build, then afterward perform. Okay, now I don't need this one. So once this is done means let's give some thread sleep for 15 seconds. Now once that is done means we can driver dot quit. Okay, so now program is done. Now right mouse button, click on, double click, run the program. So the, let's see, yeah, now program started execution. Now Chrome driver is created, window is opened. Now it is going to test automation block website. Okay, let's, yeah, see here you can see hello world. Now we are going to wait take maybe, and we are going to wait for 15 seconds. Then afterward we are going to perform click text button double time. We are going to click that one. So wait, yes, it's performed. Here we can see the value is copied from here to here. Okay, now it is going to wait 15 seconds because we have purposefully put 15 seconds so we can able to see the results. Yes, almost done. Yeah, it's completed the execution. So this is a entire demo of double click operation on any website. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar kind of videos.